Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best snowplow for you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best snowplow for you in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Boar Snow Plow. The Boar Snow Plow attaches to your UTV chassis and allows you to easily clear snow during the winter months. The 48-inch long 2mm adjustable straight blade can be angled in both the right and left directions. The vehicle is protected from blade impacts and overloading by adjustable tension safety trip springs, and the round, angled push tube assembly with optimized winch connection maximizes plow lift range. The optimized chassis attachment bracket maximizes ground clearance when the blade is not installed. The Boar Snow Plow mounts to the chassis of your UTV and allows you to easily clear snow during the winter months. The 48-inch long 2mm adjustable straight blade can be angled to the right or left. Safety tension adjustment trip springs protect the vehicle from blade impacts and overloading, while the round, angled push tube assembly with optimized winch connection extends the plow lift range. The optimized chassis attachment bracket maximizes ground clearance when the blade is not installed. It's easy to set up and use. For details, let's watch more. Our second best snowplow for you is Denali 72-inch UTV snowplow. Denali Standard Series UTV snowplows are made to handle the toughest conditions and hold up against sand, snow and ice. With a 65-degree attack angle and over-center design, the plow blade ensures snow rolls up and is thrown forward. The central mounting position of the plow kit disperses the force of impact to the sturdiest part of the UTV, preventing damage to the front end or other vehicle parts from sudden impact. Its easy connect design makes for a quick attachment of the plow to your UTV. The plow kit includes a wear bar and skid feet. The durable snow plow mount plate is specifically engineered to fit the frame of your UTV and can remain on your vehicle year-round. Designed to resist wear and tear from the steep angle that occurs between the winch and the plow, the optional plow pulley fairlead replaces the winch fairlead during the plow season and extends the life of your lift system. Fully kit out your Denali plow with a rubber flap, plow flag/markers, plow pulley fairlead, and synthetic cable, all available to purchase separately. 4 7-gauge ribs run the full height of the blade and 3 additional horizontal stabilizers support the deepest point of the blade. Third pick in our list is Warn 78950 Pro Vantage Steel Plow Blade. The 50-inch Warn Pro Vantage 78950 is the least expensive option in this comparison and is best suited for driveways with small yards. This UTV snow plow is your best bet if you're looking for a low-cost model. With a design and production using 12-gauge steel and robust ribbing, this snow plow is a top plow as well as a superior product from Warn. The Pro Vantage UTV plow is constructed of thick 12-gauge steel and features reinforced ribs, a central crossing member, and a strong box design. Large plow bases, broad plow bases, and strong, large plow skids provide exceptional performance. The center-mounted plow blades have long-lasting large-diameter pivot assemblies that allow the blade to rotate smoothly, accurately, and consistently over many years of use. Number 4 in our side is KUAFU Snow Plow Blade. Included are the blade, push tube, and universal mount kit. The blade is constructed of heavy-duty steel, the push tube is constructed of square tube steel chassis, and the mid-mount kit is designed to be installed on the underside of your vehicle's chassis. The blade measures 48 inches long by 20 inches wide and features a 5-position angle adjustment system. For better plowing control, the push tube is an ergonomic pivot handle with quick pin attachment to 15 UTV underbody mounts that attach directly to the UTV frame. Mid-mount kit fits mid-mount UTV push tubes and UTVs with welded-on skid plates. Installation may necessitate drilling. It does not work with Can-Am Outlander models. Heavy-duty square tube steel chassis strategically reinforced. The structural pivot box and ergonomic pivot handle provide increased leverage. Installation of UTVs with welded-on skid plates may necessitate drilling. Last in our best snow plow for you list is Stark Snow Plow Blade. Stark ATV plow system is the most versatile, durable, and high-performance plow system on the market. Our plow system can easily mount to all the most popular brand with front only. It will help you get your plowing jobs done with speed and ease. Feature universal plate mounts able to mount on most UTV and ATV frame. Help transferring plow force to the ATV frame for effective, smooth plowing. Heavy-duty skid shoes blade is mount with heavy-duty skid shoes relieve the bottom of a plow blade from excessive wear by serving as dual points of contact when the blade is put on the ground. 56-inch wide blade. The stable, wide plow bases and durable made with thick gauge steel, extra large plow skids deliver exceptional performance. Blade measures 15.5 inch from the ground to the top of the blade. Blade angle adjustment. Multiple blade angle adjustments allow you to move snow perfectly. Simply move the pin and angle the blade to multiple positions for efficient plowing. The blade pivots on a spring-loaded pin, with an easy-to-adjust handle for precise, easy adjustments.